everyone. So today we are going to start our genetic engineering series. In this first lecture of genetic engineering, we are going to deal with what is genetic engineering and the main aspect of genetic engineering. Genetic engineering is also known to be rDNA technology or recombinant DNA technology. So genetic engineering is basically used to alter the genetic makeup of the cells. This technology is also used to create recombinant DNA molecules by inserting foreign DNA into the host organisms. So, the main aspect of genetic engineering is cloning. Cloning is nothing but a technique or a procedure which is used to make exact copies of the living things. So, cloning can be performed with the help of cells or without the help of cells. If we carried out cloning with the help of cell, it is known to be gene cloning. Or if we carried out cloning without the help of cell, it is mainly called as polymerase chain reaction. In this video, we are mainly focusing on gene cloning. What are the steps? What are the steps which are going to take place in gene cloning? We will be discussing step by step. Now let's go. So the first step in gene cloning is to construct recombinant DNA molecule. So how to construct a recombinant DNA molecule? A fragment of DNA is taken and it is ligated into the vector. And after the ligation of fragment of DNA into the vector, we get recombinant DNA molecules. Vectors are nothing but vehicles which carries fragment of DNA into the host organism. After we get recombinant DNA molecule, we insert this recombinant DNA molecule into host organism. Host organism can be any living thing. So in this case, we are going to take bacteria. After inserting this recombinant DNA molecule into bacteria which is the host cell, the recombinant DNA molecule starts replicating into numerous copies, which is nothing but the clones. And after the multiplication of this recombinant DNA molecule into the bacteria which is nothing but the host cell gets divided. After the division of the host cells, the recombinant DNA molecules gets passed into its progeny also. After numerous cell division of this bacteria, the copies of the recombinant DNA molecules also increases into the host cell, which is nothing but the bacteria. And in this way, we get identical copies of the recombinant DNA molecule. I hope you have understood whole concept behind gene cloning. In our further video lectures, we are going to discuss in detail about gene cloning. Thank you.